Welcome to the Unboxers. We have something new from Shopkins, a new Shopkins playset. It is the So Cool fridge. We found this at Target, believe it or not. There was about 3 on the shelf. I think they had just stocked them up. And we had some little Arctic owl friends join us. They wanted to be in the video, and looking at their eyes, I could not tell them no. That is also how they came home with us. So anyways, I figured since it was a fridge, they could stay. I did tell them their hats were out of date since Christmas has already passed, but they also didn't take that warning. So we're going to get this thing out of the box. Let's get a closer look first. Okay, let's see. It has the 2 exclusive Shopkins in there, the soda, and looks like a frozen yogurt with strawberries. It's got the 6 mini Shopkins, the little eggs. Comes with stickers, over 35 stickers to decorate. And on this side, the really cool little ice cube dispenser. So let's take a look at the back, see if there's anything new here. The illustrations are just so cute. It's got the little margarine and the milk and the cool cube in there and the cheeseburger, the cheese. Okay, so let's not wait any longer. Let's get this out of the box and show you what it looks like. Okay, and we're back, and it's out of its box. Here's what you get. You get 2 shopping bags, a cup, 2 of the exclusive Shopkins, and here's the soda pop. Don't shake it. And here's stickers, 2 sheets of stickers to put all over the fridge. That's just so that you can give your refrigerator its own personality, your personality. Customize it your way. Comes with these 6 mini Shopkins. They are so tiny. Even picking them up. Oh my goodness. Look at the little face. Some of them look like they're getting ready to sneeze or laugh or smiling. They are a happy bunch of eggs. Alright, let's see. And so we have the 2 shelves that are adjustable. You can pull it out, stick it in another slot, make them taller, or let's see, shorter, however you want to do it. There we go. Oh, let's leave it in up here. Oh, it goes higher. And there we go. Or I like the rack goes on already. There you go. And this one can come up higher. That's pretty good. Okay, and it comes with the 2 shopping baskets, like what you get with the 5 packs and 12 packs. And a little cup. And the drawer comes open to store lots of Shopkins, which we'll do in a minute. But let's check out the freezer section first. And I happen to have Cool Cube from season 1. There's the green one and the blue one. One of my very favorites from season 1. Let's put them side by side. Let's see, are they gonna fit? Yep. Close them up. And let's see, let's zoom in here. And we're going to push this in with the uh-oh, I messed it up. Let's try. One at a time, one at a time. Okay. Look up. And there he is. That's cool. Now, let's see, the green one, so as not to slight the green one. Boop. Okay, and you can probably do that with some of the other Shopkins too, with the frozen yogurt and all the small ones that will fit in there will come right down the cup. That's really cool. Okay, let me hold it this way so you can see. I'll back it up a little bit. Look at our little egg faces. This thing goes back and forth. And it has a little shelf down here. Okay, so tell you what, let's do. Let's introduce our season 2s to our season 1s by putting them in the fridge. Here we go. I'm gonna put Cheesy in there, a blue one, and the yellow one, and some Rockin' Brock. Blue Rockin' Brock. And Gertie. And how can we forget? Look! Let's put him in this part. And the green. Okay, and maybe some milk. Flavor Ava. And chocolate Flavor Ava. And our soda pops. Along with our other soda. As you can see, it fits quite a bit in there of your collection. Okay, and now we're going to introduce Chloe Flower. Look, meat broccoli. And Dippy Avocado. And Corny Cob, which I think it actually had on the box. Let's put Banana Splitty down here in the bottom drawer. And Waffle Soup. And she's a frozen waffle. Stick her down there. And we could also fill up this whole bottom drawer fits lots of Shopkins in here for such a little fridge. And there's Googie. We could put him over here. Look at the size difference. Let's see. It's his baby egg. Okay, let's put that back in there. Put Googie over here. Okay. Put our Cube Cubes. It fits quite a bit. So let's close them up. You see, I still have more room, and probably some more room on the shelves. That way the season 1 and season 2 can mingle in the fridge. And close the door. You get your little cup there. Get a drink of water. Or some ice. Let's see if one of those comes out. Whoa! Of course. Let's see. Let's get one to come out at a time. I think maybe. There we go. A cup of snow cone. Very cool. So I think that's pretty much it for the Shopkins cool fridge. We got all of our Shopkins in there, meeting and greeting with each other. Season 1, Season 2. It's not very big, but it sure does hold a lot of Shopkins. And I think it's one of the most awesome play sets available so far. It's just so cute with the little fridge and the door and being able to put your own stickers on it. And the ice cubes coming out of it. And like I said, it stores quite a bit. So we found this at Target. So be on the lookout for it at Target. I believe it was around $15.99. So it was a good price, reasonable. And I think that's it for right now. So remember, comment and like and subscribe. See you next time.